Welcome to Drawing with Julie Gwen, the MerMay 2019 edition.
This is MerMay Day 3 and the theme is Rockabilly.
This is the Artsnacks unboxing for May 2019.
Come on, what is it?
And we got some Smarties this month. Ooh, and this month I got my sticker.
Yes, a sticker!
As with every Artsnacks box, it comes with a menu that shows everything that's inside as well as what they're worth. First up here, we have a Faber-Castell Art and Graphic water brush, retail price $7.99. Then we have some Marabou Mixed Media Art Spray, a retail price $5.99.
It's like Christmas. Come on, open it. Open it!
Hold on to your mermaid tail, Molly. I'm opening it. Here we have a Chart Pack Spectra 80 marker, retail price $5.70. Here we have two Faber-Castell gelatos in pistachio and gold champagne. It's got a metallic shimmer, retail price $2.45. And we've got some samples of the Stillman & Birn Nova Trio mixed media paper that I am trying out these gelatos on, and the marker and spray.
Alright, Mama, let's get started.
Okay, Miss Molly, and since we are on day 3 of MerMay, I am doing the third prompt from the MerMay.com website, and that is Rockabilly. After trying out those gelatos on the sample paper, I decided to rub some of them onto my butcher tray and use it more like a watercolor with this water brush. I figured it would be kind of difficult to color with it directly on this paper and then water it down, so this technique worked okay for it. The colors that I got in that pistachio and gold champagne definitely look different. The pistachio doesn't really look like much of a green. It looks more like a darker champagne color, which would have made okay skin tones too, but it has a really nice sparkly finish that you're not necessarily going to be able to pick up in this video, but it is very pretty. And of course, since I didn't want to spray the art spray right on this piece, I just sprayed some of it onto my butcher tray and used it like a watercolor ink.
What is that smell? That smells horrible.
Yeah, Molly, that smells pretty bad. This marker smells, intense. I definitely don't generally use these, and I'm not used to having markers anymore that have such a strong smell. But that Spectrum marker, oh wow, yeah. Ventilate your area, people. It's very strong. And I go in with my Copics here to finish up this piece. Get some skin tones, color in those Rockabilly tattoos. Thought it would be cool if the scarf on her head actually looks kind of like a piece of seaweed. So once I get to that green on there, to let me know if you think that looks like seaweed. I think it turned out pretty cool. I go in with a couple different shades of gray to put some shine on what will be her black hair here, and then blend those out so it has some shine on the bun at the top, and then the swipe over bang on the front. Colored in some coral with a purple, added a lighter blue, like sun rays coming down the water, and then kind of an aqua. What's my favorite color blue there? And then these are based off of these sea flowers here that I found online. I've had fun researching different flowers and items that are under the sea because I realized I really don't know a lot about what's under the sea.
Wow, she really rocks, Mommy.
Thank you, Miss Molly. I really like the expression on her face. I think she looks pretty cool. Then I go in with this Artist Pro white paint marker. Add some details, bubbles, polka dots on the top. Here's the finished piece. She looks kind of fierce.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.